Alright, hello everyone. Time for another Elden Ring tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to beat Rennala, Queen of the Full Moon. And here is the location where you can find her. They're in the castle, the Rennala castle. And you're going to just walk through these doors, and then you're going to summon, I'm going to summon Black Knight Tish just because I have Tish. And Tish is the best in my opinion, but the summons doesn't matter too much in this one. You just need someone to keep Rennala busy. And so this has two phases, and the first phase, Rennala is going to be up in this floating bubble. And so you got the ones that are the little mini Rennalas that are on the ground. They're not really Rennalas, but the little mini minions. You want to find the ones that have like the glowing icon around them, and then smash those until Rennala falls down to the ground, and then she's just going to be helpless. So you can get as many hits as you can while she's on the ground, and then she is going to get her power back and float back up there, and then go run around and find those guys again. And the one with the bubble around them. Now they're gonna shoot fire out of their faces, and they're gonna throw these like stones or books. They're probably books that they're throwing at you that'll do some damage. But you can run around and see there's one over here with a little glowing thing around their head. Just go ahead and bash them a couple of times, once or twice, and you keep doing that until Rennala falls down again out of her protective bubble, because when she's up there she can't be hit. And you got to watch out for she'll shoot some like little beams out of that, but I don't really worry about that too much. And then once she's on the ground again, just keep whacking her until she's down. And then the second phase will happen, and it's going to transport you to, we'll just call it the full moon realm, I guess, Rennala's realm. And on this, I just go straight at her. She has this like little power that she does, but I go right at her, and then you can dodge those little star attacks that she does, and then just keep going right at her. And then your summons is going to keep her busy, knock her to the ground, and then she's also going to summon this big baddie, and then I don't really worry about him too much, the giant that she summons, spirit summons. And then I just keep dodging around in a circle and right up to her feet, and then just keep blasting her. And then of course just heal yourself when necessary. You can jump or dodge out of that little white protective thing that she does, but other than that, she's not too difficult. So hopefully this video gave you an idea on how to beat her if you are having issues. And then you get that great rune, and there you go. Let me know if this helps. Take care, everyone.